guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to see what's happening for Pisces in their love life. How will this week go for you all? How is it's gonna be? So generally this reading is about your love life. Okay, we won't talk about your career, your finances. It's just a general love reading for all the Pisces. You may have your sun, moon, rising in Pisces. Okay, so let's see. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. What's happening for Pisces in their love life? Okay, the first one we have got is the King of Swords. Okay, this is the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. 8 of Wands. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sag energy. This is your energy. 6 of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy. You might be dealing with another water sign. What more do we have for Pisces? Ace of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean again. 2 of Cups, again water sign. 4 of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What more do we have? 7 of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign. And the last one we got is Queen of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And the overall energy we have is the Page of Cups. Okay. Wow. Piscean, we have got a lot going on for you guys. What I see here is, the first thing I see here is that you are guarding yourself. I think you're done with something or someone and you are guarding yourself now. Okay, someone wants to communicate to you, someone wants to express to you, this might be a new one or an old one, but I'm seeing many of you are dealing, you will be dealing with someone you have already dealt with. So this is a past energy. Also at the same time you will also get some new love proposals and you are ready for it. I think you are you still believe in love. I think there is something happening in your love life which broke your trust. Okay, maybe this person or the situation, and you are guarding yourself, but at the same time inside of you are ready for a new love or for a new beginning. But the major theme or the major feeling or vibes I'm getting from you Pisceans is that you are guarding yourself. You don't want to invest into something that won't bear anything good. Okay, so you're guarding your energy, you're taking stand for yourself. I think you are even blocking yourself from someone. You don't want to connect to someone, and there is someone who is constantly trying to communicate to you via something. Maybe they are posting something on their stories and they are trying to talk to you on like that way, but you are not interested. I think you're guarding your energies now. Okay, you have come into your power. Also, I see you are going to receive unexpected communications, especially in the month of November. You're going to receive unexpected communications from someone and they will express their love. They will express how they feel for you. They might even want to reconcile with you. This is someone from the past. Okay, and also I'm seeing here new love offers coming around. Okay, maybe this is a secret admirer who is stalking you via social media. They like you, they love you, and they just want to connect to you. Okay, because the overall energy is the Page of Cups. This is obsessive spying energy. Someone is definitely stalking you, looking at your social media pages, trying to get through what you're doing. Okay, but I think you have major trust issues with someone, or someone has had major trust issues with you. Maybe in past they had trust issues and now they want to come in and you are not ready. You are like, no bro, you are not coming in. Okay, so you're guarding your energies, and that is a good thing. If you think that your love is not reciprocated, someone does not trust you, and also I'm seeing now you are not trusting this person. Okay, so the overall energies, the tables are turning and overall energies are just changing, and the air is changing and the direction is changing, and you are not interested. And more to say, this, you are not believing this person. Okay, I'm also seeing you are working on something, your own life. You are prioritizing your needs, you are prioritizing what you need. Pisceans really need to do that. Many of Pisceans, like I'm too a Piscean, and I don't prioritize my needs over the other people. I'm a Piscean moon, and it's very difficult for me to say no to someone. Okay, ignore someone. and that becomes too hard for me, because every time I don't say no, someone takes me for granted. And Pisceans need to do that. They are very generous, they are very caring, very sensitive beings, and they really need to prioritize themselves. And this is what you will be doing. You will be looking behind with a sense of regret that you invested so much and nothing came out of that. But at the same time, you will be looking forward, and you will be guarding your energies against anything that is not serving you. Okay, so I'm also seeing you're going to start believing onto love and some person, but it might take up to 2 months from now. You're not in the state of mind where you want to invest in a relationship, active relationship. You just want to date, you just want to get to know other people, but you're not going to be fully into a relationship. As for like for November, I'm not seeing anything like that happening. I'm also seeing you're definitely working on your career, your finances, growing yourself. It might be financially, it might be otherwise, like emotionally. Okay, heavily spying, secret admirers, secret lovers. Someone is definitely keeping an eye on you, and this person is obsessive about you. They want to know every move you're making. Okay, they want to know how you are doing, what you're doing. Okay, let's clarify some cards and I'll talk to you more about it. King of Swords. King of Swords is clarified by the Chariot. See, I told you, you're guarding yourself to just make the move. Like, you want to move forward in your life. You don't want to have everything stagnant. Okay, what is this 8 of Wands about? 6 of Wands clarified by the 8 of... Someone was planning from a very long time to get in touch with you, and now finally they are coming. Okay, someone is recognizing your worth, someone is recognizing how important you are to them. 6 of Cups. 8 of Pentacles is clarified by the 6 of Cups. Someone wants to make an effort now. They want to make an effort. They want to show how much intense they love you and how much they can invest into a relationship. Okay, but I don't see you are interested. Ace of Cups. Oh my God, too many cards. I just want one card to clarify. Ace of Cups. What is this? Please tell me more about this Ace of Cups here. Yeah. Knight of Swords clarifying the Ace of Cups. This is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy clarifying the Ace of Cups. What I see here with this is, I think you are like deep inside, Pisceans need love. They are very emotional beings. They need love, pamper, support, and you too need that. But what is happening is, when a new person is coming to you and expressing how they feel for you, you're guarding yourself there also. You're not interested. I don't see you. Like, someone is rushing back to you and you don't want that. You are guarding yourself. Okay, what is this 2 of Cups? Please tell me a bit more. Ace of Swords. Yeah, someone wants a new beginning with you, another chance. Someone wants another chance, but you are not ready. I don't see you ready. Okay, what is the 4 of Pentacles about? 4 of Swords clarifying the 4 of Pentacles. This is you who was hurt, who was stabbed in the back, who was accused of doing something you did not do, who was badly hurt, and you have rested and regenerated yourself. You have restored your sense of clarity and peace and harmony, and you don't want to be a part of something dramatic now. Okay, so you're guarding your feelings very strong. What is the 7 of Swords about? Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag, and 7 of Pentacles clarifying the 7 of Wands, 7 of Swords, sorry. So what I see here with this is, you don't see, like, with whatever is happening with this person lately, in the past maybe, you don't see a point in making effort into this relationship. You see this something, a waste of your energy, time and love. You don't want to invest into something in a person who is not trusting you, and in a person whom you don't trust now. You don't trust this person anymore. Okay, so you don't want to invest into the relationship. And with this Queen of Wands, you are standing up for yourself. You have a lot of passion and love for yourself now. So wow, Piscean, you are growing strong. What is this Queen of Pentacles? Knight of Wands clarifies Queen of Pentacles. This is Aries, Leo, Sag energy. I am also seeing you see this person as a player. This is a Knight of Wands. You see this This person is not worth your time, attention, as I told you. What is this Page of Cups? Someone was being non-committal, and you don't want someone who is non-committal. You want a stable relationship, or you don't want it. Okay, so no mediocre things. The Magician clarifying the Page of Cups. Someone is cooking something. Someone is planning to. They have everything, every correct tools to come back to you, and they are going to use it at the right time. So that's what's happening. Let's see what we have from the angel messages for you. What advice do we have? What advice do we have for Pisceans? Okay, yeah, we got all our 3 cards together. Wish wisely. So this is something you really need to do, because Pisceans as are very intuitive and you connect well to the spiritual world. Use your wishes wisely to manifest your heart's desire. See, I told you, you are now manifesting something better in your life. Okay, you don't want uncertainty. You don't want someone who shows distrust in you, who accuses you, who is in and out of this relationship. You want stability, and take practical step towards making your dreams come true. So wish wisely and take practical steps. Next we have is manifestation. See how beautiful these cards are coming up. Be very honest and clear about what you wish to manifest. So be very honest and be very clear about your intentions when you're manifesting something. Maybe a new love, maybe your future. Now write it down on paper. Write everything down. Write your heart out. Okay. And the last one we have is coming together. Fairies like to be busy, and a group of them is, I told you, you will socialize more. You will maybe in past this person wasn't allowing you to grow. They were sabotaging your growth overall. Maybe they told you don't talk to them, don't do this, don't do that, and you're bored of it. You just want to socialize, be a social animal. Many Pisceans are introverts in that case, but they show they are introverts, and in reality they are not. It's very complicated. Pisceans are, as is, very complicated creatures, as I am, and that's what's happening. You'll be coming together with a lot of good people. You'll be surrounded by a lot of good people who will support you, will encourage you. So that's a good thing, and you must socialize much. Okay, let's see from handwritten messages, what do we have for you for Pisceans? What do we have for my fishies? Please. The first one we have is the spirituality. You connect very well with the spirituality, and now in the month of November especially, you're going to be, connected to spiritual realms, and you're going to just manifest everything. Like, have you heard of that story where a man touches anything and it turns into gold? That is going to happen. So please be very mindful of what you're doing. Okay, this time you will maybe you were destined to meet this person you're dealing with. Okay, what more do we have? Sometimes these are karmic cycles and karmic lessons you need to learn. That's why you meet certain people in your life. Soulmate, maybe you will be dealing with your soulmate, or this is your soulmate. What more do we have? I don't see it. Intuition. See, your intuition is going to be very, very strong in the month of November. I told you. And the last one we have is ADHPI So you might be dealing with someone having these initials. Yeah, interesting. You like the video? Then hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.